Join us, Darren and Tony, as we go on our adventures, set ourselves challenges and enjoy exploring in our self-converted Mercedes Sprinter camper van.
Just getting ready to go on a big hike, aren't we?
We sure are, in the sunshine.
And where have we come?
Fraisthorpe.
It's a little site. There used to be a nudie beach, Fraisthorpe.
It sure did. We're giving that a whirl later.
Hey, you're not. You keep them away. The women won't be able to contain themselves.
Jesus Christ, yeah. Well, yeah. They'll have to find it first.
I think it's about. I think there's about 10 pitches. It's £19 a night with electric. There's no. It says there's toilet facilities, but they're not the best because it's everybody on the beach uses them as well. So we'll take them, show them the beach and show them a bit of the walk, and then we're going
it's a nice beach. Yeah.
Going into Brid, aren't we?
Yeah. We've got for a little paddle as well on the way. Shall we? No. Oh, okay.
Oh, we can. Are you actually taking your shoes off?
Yeah. Don't get my toenails in.
No, people want to eat today. Oh, this is a little setup. Got some windbreaks, haven't we? Because it's a bit fresh up here with the wind.
Aye, right on the coast.
That's the view that way. And then
Tripping over Crocs.
we've just got to walk down there, not far, to the beach. Then we're going to walk to Bridlington, aren't we?
What, right over there?
Right over there, yeah.
Jesus
It
Christ.
looks like Benidorm from here. We've passed the busy part, haven't we?
Past the kids, yes.
Yeah, all the kids and the dogs barking, and it's just
Typical British day at the Seaside.
yeah. It's like as soon as the glimmer of sun,
Yeah.
everybody packs their hankies for their heads, don't they?
Yeah, everybody with lobsters at work on Monday.
Yep. Some of them won't be at work on Monday because they'll have sunstroke because
That's, yeah.
they've stayed out in it too long. But it's a lovely beach, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's flat.
No stones, not pebbly.
Yeah, you can have your dogs on the beach.
Yes. Yeah, it's a dog-friendly beach. Very dog-friendly beach, isn't it?
Very, yeah.
Oh, but we're going to walk, as I said, we're going to walk to Brid. Have a look-
Bridlington.
Bridlington, sorry, yes, for yours.
Not everybody comes from Yorkshire, love.
Yeah. We're going to Brid
Yeah, gonna Brid, gonna with.
with... We don't shout in Scarborough, do we?
No, Scabby Scarborough.
Yeah, Scabby Scarborough.
No, Scarborough's our favourite.
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah, we're going to have a walk around the shops, have a look at...
Have some rock.
Yeah, get some rock. Get
Fish and chips.
and a waffle with cream on.
Yeah.
Donuts. And ice cream.
Jesus Christ. Thought I was on a diet.
Did you bring your wallet?
I did not.
The tide's on its way out. So
Like a mill pond out there.
we was going to paddleboard, weren't we? We
was.
brought the paddleboard, but
And then we saw
Yeah.
people falling off every time a wave came, so we changed our mind.
Bridlington's over there, where that big white building is. If you think of Britain and Seaside, what's to you is quintessentially British?
Quintessentially, look at you. Wow. For me, fish and chips.
If I think of a British seaside town, I always think of them, beach huts.
Oh yeah.
Or amusements, two-peat push machines.
Oh yeah. I love the amusements, yeah. Air hockey.
Air hockey.
Bang, 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 bang. God, you go home with an headache after you've played that for 10 minutes.
It's a nice little walk, this, isn't it?
It's a lovely walk, yes. And on the way back, we've got a back wind, so it'll be even lovelier.
I thought you'd have had your shirt off.
I ain't got my bra on. Cracking cleavage. Can't beat a nice hairy cleavage, can you? It's happened to me once before, it's not happening again.
So,
I'll just ask if you're ready for your dinner.
because
Because if you're having chips, we're getting them from here. Because that's where you always get them from when you come to Brit. This is the chip. This is the shop.
since when did we go with routine?
Always.
Right, so we've had some chips, haven't we?
Had chips, yes, very nice.
And we've had a waffle.
Banana waffle.
We've done 8,000 steps so far.
So we've burnt all that off really, haven't we?
Yeah.
So
Seagull nearly had your can of Coke.
Seagull nearly got a punch in the face.
Just walking. Will this be the North Bay then? No.
Yeah, the north, yeah.
Well, you're allowed to swim in the water at this side, I think. Oh, we should have gone down there. We could check.
Okay.
So we'll go down there and check and see what it says. The quality of the water is down there. Right.
You hang on to that.
I'm holding on to the rail.
No.
Don't do steps without holding on. Darren has an heart attack.
You have a tendency to fall. You have a tendency to break bones.
I have broke a few bones while I've been with you, haven't I?
Yes. Yes.
It's because I'm clumsy.
And tipsy some of the times.
No, oh, was one of the times, yeah. Right, let's have a look then. Let's see what the quality of your water is like here. Oh, it doesn't say out here, does it? So it must be all right.
Yeah, you can go in here. Look at that, that's something. Quality masons will be fit to be having chips with this. I need to know what that is.
And storm overflows, particularly after heavy rain. It says there the Gypsy Race, the main river running through Bridlington.
Ah, right. So why ain't got an E in there? But it's got an E in there.
Oh, come on.
Grammar police, me,
Yeah,
you know,
come
grammar
on,
police.
Bridlington Council. You got that totally wrong, didn't you?
So pedantic.
It's quite nice. I don't think I've ever come down this end, have you?
No, I usually get to the amusements, end of the amusements, and that's it.
Is that Flamber Red over there?
Yeah, will be, yeah.
Where is it?
Yeah, well, it's starting to look white, isn't it?
Yeah. We think that over there is Flamber Red. We think.
Yeah, it's bent some cliffs and all that lot in it, and then before you know it, you're in Scarborough.
Yeah.
Here comes the train.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know it come this far.
I think it's a different one. Wasn't the other one green?
We're just gonna on the way back. As you can see, past the woods. We'll maybe pick you up.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. Feel the Bob Marley coming on.
Yeah, you don't need to drink when you walk past that, do you? Ooh. Right, we're gonna go back to the van. Darren will probably have.
Snooze.
No, you won't. It's too late.
Oh yeah, it's 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Too late for a snooze.
But you might get less clothes on.
Pardon?
Well, you might take your top off.
Don't need to know. Maybe eating the tea.
Oh yeah, sorry. It's not bad, not bad view, but I don't mind it. I'm gonna just. It's warm, isn't it?
Get your breath back.
I know. It's because I'm talking and walking, and we've done a lot of walking today.
You ladies can multitask.
Not when you're as unfit as I am. But we're about half an hour away from home, aren't we?
Yep.
And hopefully once we get back onto the beach it'll be a bit cooler. We'll get the sea breeze coming in again.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Need it.
But we say bye and
Bye.
it was just a quick one just to show you where we was and what we was doing this weekend. Just to
Come to Fraisthorpe. It's got a lovely beach. Especially if you've got a dog.
yeah, definitely do. It's the campsite's not bad, hardly really, is it?
You can have a leg stretch. Going to Brid. We're on Brid. Eat some chips. there,
Or
let's
fish and
walk back.
chips if you.
Well, yeah, if you can afford it these days.
Yeah, definitely. Check it out. Auburn Farm. Can't say it was called, wasn't it?
Yeah, you're right. You're right on the beach, aren't you?
Yeah, you can even come to Fraisthorpe and just park for, is it £6 a day? And you don't have to leave till 9:30 at night.
Yeah.
And the car park's right on the cliff top as well. Easy access to the beach. The beach is gorgeous.
Yeah.
So definitely, if you're in the East Coast area, you want a nice beach.